uSireletso oneminyaka eli-17 udansa umdanso obizwa nge-Latin ogxile kakhulu-ke esigqini nokucwecwa kahle unyawo kube ngathi-ke ngempela ngolwempungushe. Uthi waqala-ke ukudansa i-Latin eseneminyaka eli-13.
The reason why I started dancing is because I used to watch a lot of dance videos while I was young, and seeing dancers perform made me want to dance too, and they inspired me to follow my dream.
Emva kweminyaka emine uthando lomdanso we-Latin selumbeka emehlweni omhlaba. uSireletso uzoqhudelana nabadansi bomhlaba emncintiswaneni we-World Dance Council World Championship ngaphansi kwe-Youth Solo Championship Latin e-Europe ngolwezi.
I am preparing regularly with my coach, and I hope to get first place when I get there. And also, I hope to meet other dancers, other professional dancers, and I hope to learn from them also.
uSireletso usafunda isikole wenza ibanga lika grade 11 esikoleni iDr Moriselle High eMabopane. Simbuzele-ke ukuthi usithathaphi isikhathi sokulungiselela lo mqhudelwano omkhulu kangaka njengoba nomsebenzi wesikole umi ngenhla.
So I created a schedule for myself so that the schedule can tell me when it's dance time and when it's school time. And it's not easy to balance both of them, but I have to do it because I chose this life.
Inyuvesi iSefako Makgatho ikhokhele zonke indleko zohambo lase-Europe lukaSireletso nabanye abadansi ababili adansa nabo ngaphansi kweqembu iTshwaranang Dance Studio. Kepha-ke uyalidinga uxhaso lomfaniswano.
I do need sponsorship. Sefako Makgatho University only sponsors me with accommodations and transport, but with the costumes, I don't have enough money for the costumes, and I'll be needing 2 costumes for the overseas competition.
uSireletso uthi ufuna ukuqhubeka nokudansa zungeza umhlaba bese efundisa nabeza emva kwakhe umdanso we-Latin. Ngicelile-ke nami ukuthi angifundise kepha
I don't have any tip, I'm sorry.
Why?
Because I've never seen a old man like you. No, I'm being honest with you.
kodwa ugcine sengifundisile nami. Ezindabeni zethu kumzansi wethu Channel 163 nginguVusizwe Langa ngibika ngiseSandton eGauteng.